Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a massive closet clean out. This is something that I have been trying to do since we moved almost 5 months ago. Everything that we just don't want to look at kind of just ends up in our closet behind me. So today we are going to be cleaning out this entire thing. Before I go ahead and start cleaning it out, I'm actually going to show you what it looks like beforehand. I am telling you, it is horrible. I am not exaggerating. It looks kind of neat, but barely, and that's just because I needed to walk through it, so I had to kind of put stuff away so there's a little pathway because we've got to get to the internet box. But other than that, I mean, it's a disaster. It's an absolute disaster. So I'm going to take you through, show you the closet, and show you I'm cleaning literally everything in it. So let's get started. So this is our closet, looking into it from the doors. Let me open this up. And then over here, this is a bunch of donation stuff except the fan and the boots. The fan is our turbo fan for the summer, and those are Mike's snow boots. But this is donation stuff, and then this is a bag of shredded paper. We use this for the rabbit. This actually has to go into her closet. We have Michael's clothes all the way over. Then we start on mine. I'm going to be getting rid of a ton of my stuff. I don't know about Michael. There is also, if I can get behind here, oi, this. Ain't that lovely? It's fallen over. So some of this is parts to our air conditioner. Some of it is Christmas decorations that I never put away. My camera bag, and I don't even know what's in the box. I think that is a pillowcase, actually. We have these cushions. These are things we use when we have company, if anyone needs to sit on the floor. These are more donations, except the box there. We have more clothes over here, very few. This is mostly like maxi dresses and things like that. There is stuff under here. I have no idea what's under here. And then we have these drawers. So we have a jewelry box, a watch box, and we've got drawers just full. And then we have this little shelf up here. This will not close. I don't know how to close that little box, so let's get to cleaning all this. I'm going to pull everything out, absolutely everything, throw it into the living room, and go from there.
face locked onto the phone. And I wished I'd had a number so I could be color unknown. And then I tell her to look into my eyes and never let it go.
So it is 5 o'clock and I just finished cleaning out the closet. I have 3.5 bags of donations just from today's clean out, and I'm gonna show you. Oh, and I have this from donations. Ha! I forgot there was other stuff in the closet. A bag of garbage, and now I'll show you what the closet looks like.